Hello and welcome to How to Ballast Track for Beginners Part 2. Hopefully you've seen the first part. So I've now got all my ballast laid, how I'm happy with it. Worth taking a little bit of time to get it the way you want. So what you're going to need now is one of these, which is a mister. And from a good distance, you need to soak the ballast. If you do it too close, you'll find, of course, that it can wash the ballast away. And then what we're going to get, I'll try and zoom in a little bit here again, is a mix. Just trying to find, I've lost my bottle. Aha! You're going to get a little, there's a number of different ways of doing this. I use these little applicator bottles, and you need a mix of about 50-50 water and a decent quality PVA, and a drop of washing up liquid to act to break the surface tension. And you're just basically then going to drip this. Now what you will find, they do sometimes, so very well they say do a mix in all these videos, but trying to get it mixed in the bottle is often quite tricky. There we go, that one's better. Now one of the reasons I use these little applicators is because you can get a small amount on. Now I have seen people that effectively throw caution to the wind and just cover everything in a liberal coating of the PVA mix. Whichever way you like. It is important though to get enough on. I will agree with that. A little is no good. You end up with ballast that effectively breaks up. You can crumble it in your fingers because it hasn't got enough PVA water mix. And it's genuinely really as simple as that. Nothing more complicated. Ballasting is actually relatively simple. It's just a bit time consuming and messy. And you'll see when we come to the later videos that it requires a lot of clearing up, which is what's always put me off, because sometimes you find your points don't work, or that it takes a long while to get your track clean, and well, it will take a long while to get your track clean and running properly. And you can also see that it's quite tricky to get it on evenly. Don't worry though that it looks a mess, because it is PVA. It will dry clear, and you'll have your ballast sorted. So it's really that simple. It's not worth me doing really a great long video, because it really is that simple. I see that one's mixed better now. Yeah, this is the problem that I've found, is that it's very difficult. It's all very well they say mix it, but even when you shake extensively, it seems quite tricky to avoid getting either loads of water or loads of glue. But keep mixing it. You'll soon realise when it's running right. That's fine through there where it's a bit whiter. There we go. That's not so bad now. And then we've got another clog. There we go. So, relatively simple. I do find it's tricky to get the mix right. There we go. That one's okay. So just keep mixing it. I'm sure there's other ways of doing it. I'm sure other people will tell me there's a better way, in which case I'm happy to hear it. But I'll do the whole thing, quite messy, and then we'll see what it looks like. And then in the next part, which will be part 3, I'll do how we clean the track.